If you've been searching for how to download Google SketchUp, there's an important update you need to know right away. Google sold SketchUp to Trimble back in 2012, so Google SketchUp is no longer the current product name. In 2026, the software is simply called SketchUp, and depending on your needs, there are a few different ways to get started. In this video, I'll show you the free browser version, the Desktop Pro trial, and the school version if you're a student or teacher. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the easiest option, which is SketchUp Free in your web browser. This is the modern replacement for what many people used to call Google SketchUp. The big advantage here is that you do not need to download or install anything. You can use it directly online, which makes it perfect if you just want to test the software, start simple projects, or avoid taking up space on your computer. To begin, open your browser and go to the SketchUp Free page. Once the page loads, look for the Start Modeling button and click it. SketchUp will then ask you to sign in with a Trimble ID. The good news is that you can usually sign in with your Google account or your Apple account, so you do not necessarily need to create a brand new login from scratch. After that, accept the terms of service, and the workspace will open right inside your browser. From there, you can begin modeling immediately. If you just want the free version with no time limit, this is the best place to start. Now, if you need the full desktop version installed on your laptop or computer, then you'll want SketchUp Pro 2026. This is the version to use if you need offline access, more advanced features, or AI tools like AI Render. Unlike the free browser version, this one does require installation, but you can try it first with a 7-day trial. To get started, go to the SketchUp Downloads page. On that page, download the SketchUp Pro 2026 installer for either Windows or Mac OS, depending on the device you're using. After the file finishes downloading, open the installer and follow the setup prompts on your screen. The installation process is straightforward, so just keep clicking through the instructions until the app is fully installed. Once SketchUp Pro launches, sign in again using your Trimble ID. Then you'll see the option to Start Trial. Click that, and you'll unlock the full desktop version for 7 days. This is the best option if you want to explore the advanced tools before deciding whether to subscribe. The third option is SketchUp for Schools, and this is ideal for students and teachers who want a more powerful web-based version at no cost. To use it, go to SketchUp for Schools and log in with your school-issued Google Workspace for Education account or your Microsoft Education email. This version is often managed by the school, so if it does not work right away, your school's IT administrator may need to enable the app in the admin console first. If your school has already set it up, you should be able to sign in and start using it in the browser without installing anything on your device. So to recap quickly, if you want the easiest free option, use SketchUp Free in your browser. If you want the desktop app with offline access and advanced features, install SketchUp Pro 2026 and start the 7-day trial. And if you're in education, SketchUp for Schools may give you access through your school account. That's the full update on how to download Google SketchUp in 2026. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more software guides, downloads, and step-by-step how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.